tell you a story here. During the time that I was creating art, there was another very famous Iranian artist. He's like 70-year-old something right now. God bless him. I had some artworks always present on my mobile. So at one point I approached him. It was like 2013 or 14 probably. And I said, "Hi, master, how are you? You know, I'm in this and that. I'm creating art and da 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 da. I want to show you some of my pieces." Okay. So he said, "Yeah, please do." So I just showed my artwork. He looked at my album, and then at that time, by the way, at that time I had an album because my phone was Nokia. It was not smartphone, so there was no way to show it on my phone. Okay. So I had my album with printouts. He looked at him and he said, "These are beautiful, but not crazy." Okay. That's another point, by the way. If I say I want to become an artist and sell so much art and become famous and rich like so and so, yeah, no, that's not gonna satisfy you over long run, because let's face it, at the end of the day, there is a rule in this world called the rule of 10-90, meaning most of the time 90% of the events in the world are done by 10% of people. And the rest of the 10% events are left for the 90% of population. You have to get in touch with another aspect of your being. You have to be in touch with another realm and draw your satisfaction from that while creating art.